front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off Google search bar on a home screen. So this search bar is special because you can't remove it like you can any other widget. To manage it, you need to hold your display and select Settings at the bottom right corner. Now, scroll a tiny bit to access this section called Show Search on home screen, and use blue widget to switch it off or gray one to switch it on, this one next to search. When you finished, go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!